Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to password protect Chrome browser. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Currently, Google Chrome does not offer a built-in feature to password protect the entire browser or prevent unauthorized access without using third-party extensions. However, there is a way. You can use to add a layer of security to your browsing experience. Here's the approach. Now, here's how you can use an extension for this purpose. On your Google Chrome, click on the three dots, go to the extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store, and go to Extension section. Search for set password for your browser, then hit enter. Choose the first one on the search result, hit on Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. After installation, configure the extension by setting a password, then once done, hit OK. Now, the browser will automatically close, so next time you open it, you may have to enter a password to access it. While these methods can provide a level of security, they are not foolproof, especially if others have physical access to your PC, or if they know your operating system password. Always use a combination of security practices for best results. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.